Hello guys, welcome to our channel. So guys, today I'm going to show you guys a very super powerful boom and crash strategy that can make you profitable. This is a scalping strategy for 4 to 5 candlestick. Okay guys, you can scalp 4 to 5 candlestick for like almost 90% accuracy. So guys, just follow the rules strictly. I'm giving you guys this strategy for free. So guys, for free signals, for free boom and crash signals, because I have experience in a synthetic market from last 4 years. So guys, if you want some very qualified signals, very qualified signals, so guys, you can join my Telegram channel. I have provided my Telegram channel link in the video description, and if the link doesn't work, you can directly search my username of the Telegram channel. Let me show you guys. If the link will not work, you have to just go and search @market future 1. Okay guys, so that's my channel, only 8 subscriber currently. Just join. I'm giving here free signals and free mentorships. Okay guys, so make sure learn first, earn later. Okay guys, so let's start. So guys, you can use this strategy on any 4 pairs of boom and crash. Okay, so first of all, let me show you the settings, that what are the setting guys. Okay, so first of all, we will have to go on indicator. You have to first of all move add and moving average. Just take the screenshot of all 200 0 exponential open. Okay guys, after that you have to add a relative strength index 20 close pixel. You have to choose one, and guys, just you have to choose the color of your background, because we don't need the RSI, just we are making a new window. Okay guys, so make sure you make it of your background color. I have made white because my background is white. So then you have to indicate, then you have to add in indicator window one alligator indicator. You have to just do the settings all default, and just you have to add it. And guys, after that you have to add a moving average 40 0 smooth close, and just you can use the color according to your choice. Take the screenshot of this setting, and let me show you that how it really works. Okay guys, so first of all, let me show you that how it really works. So you have to use this indicator on the last zoom level, okay, max zoom level, and you have to just use 4 to 5 candles for the most accuracy. Okay guys, don't be greedy, if then otherwise you will be caught in a spike and you will lose your money. Okay, so we come here. So as we can see that here's a big fall, so we will just zoom here guys. And as we can see this, the green line. Okay guys, if the green line is crossing, okay guys, so you have to look at this green line, this green moving average, which is the alligator. So you have to just you have to enter the trade for a sell when it crosses the red line. Okay, here it crosses the red line, and look here, you got 1 2 3 4 5. Here you have to out. Okay, like from 3 to 4 pips you caught. Okay, so we will show you some live trades, and see here is a big fall, so we are totally safe guys. Okay, so this is how you have to use. And for crash 500, crash 500, crash 1000, you have to use like this. You have you have also look here only green one. So let me show you. Okay guys, so you have to look for green one. Here it crosses the red line. Here we will take the buy here from 9676. We will took only 4 to 5 candle, and here we out 3 to 4 pips. And guys, let's see, let's watch out some live entries. Okay, so we will zoom the max level, and here the entry is coming. Let's watch it on crash 500. Here is not an entry right now, so let's watch on crash 1000. Okay guys, so on crash 1000 it's time to get, let me show you, let me see boom 1000, so that we can get enter. So no, here's nothing to enter. You can use it on any time frame, but for scalping you can use on use M5. But if you want some more pips you can use, but I will suggest you use only M1. Okay guys, minute 1. Okay, so we will wait for live entries, so that I can show you guys. And guys, let me tell you one of the most important thing. If you are looking for a swing and if you are looking for a long take profit, then you can use this also. When it will come, when the all the moving average and all the indicators will come to this 20 and 0 zone, you have to look for the same thing. Okay, here we will look for the same thing, and here it crossed, and here we will take our buy, and just we see guys how much pips we got. So guys, and we have to close when this all moving average goes on 80, and from 80 we are not catching spikes because we are playing on trend and boom, and for boom also, for boom pairs this is the same condition. You have to just look for upside. Okay, from 80 to 100 zone you have to take profit till here. So if you will if you have taken your position here, see how much pips you got till here. It's a long position guys. Just make sure you and if you are scalping for 4 to 5 candles, you have to just zoom on the last level and wait for this green line to cross this red line. Okay guys, and guys, make sure you join my Telegram channel because I will give you updates there, and you can make a lot of money by using my signal, because I will show you live proofs that how I'm making, and I will show you that how you can also do this. And guys, if you want to message me, you can just search Richest FU and you can message Mr. Rai. Okay, my name is Rai on the Telegram. And let's see, here we are like just close to get the entry, so we'll focus on the chart on boom 500. Let's see. So guys, the after this candle will close. So guys, as you can see, the green line crosses the red line. Now we will took for sell. We are scalping so that we will use at least 9 lot size. Okay, according to my account size, and we will wait for 4 to 5 candles, and after that we will close. I will wait 4 candles, then I will close. And guys, you can also use this strategy. Make sure you join my Telegram channel also so that you can be more profitable. Okay guys, so we will wait for this last candle close. It's 1 1 2 3 and it's 4. Just it will call, we will instantly close this order and we will book our profit. So our profit is running 22 US dollars, which is great because this scalping strategy is superb guys, superb. Make sure you join my Telegram. I told it 3 times, so your please thanks me by joining my Telegram. Okay, so I'm closing this order, and make sure you subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching this video. Make sure hope you like this strategy because this is one of the most powerful strategy. Thank you for watching this video.